Go breathe, go breathe, go breathe, go breathe, go breathe.
Hey lovelies, it's been a while, but I figured I'd pop back in just to give you guys a little hair update. If you've been following me for a while, you know I was on the road to my healthy curls, then I messed it all up with heat, got a little damage. So this package came just in time. It's from TGIN, and this is their Miracle Collection. The line has intensive formulas to revive damaged hair that has been compromised due to excessive styling, weaves and extensions, heat, color, or other environmental factors. So this is definitely going to be my prescription for stronger, healthier hair. So all of these products are jam-packed with black castor oil and biotin. Black castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, and that's just a type of fatty acid found to fight inflammation and enhance the health of the hair follicles. It also moisturizes, strengthens, and thickens. It increases hair growth. It increases the blood flow to the scalp. Great for dandruff, flakiness, and hair breakage. Biotin is rich in vitamins that support hair health, restore nourishment to damaged hair, and it maintains the hair's overall health, and it just improves the strength. So let's get into these products. So right now I'm in the middle of shampooing my hair, and that is not an easy task to do while filming. I'm using the Miracle Strengthening Shampoo, but I definitely wanted to show how good of a lather I get with this, and it was really good because I was able to focus on the roots and the scalp. Alright, so I rinsed that out. Next up is the Miracle Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. You guys know I love a good hair mask. I try to do one at least once every 2 weeks. At the most, I'll do it once every week. This one is very thick and it moisturizes my hair right away. I didn't do such a good job of detangling before I shampooed, so I'm just going back in with the wide tooth comb and making sure all the tangles are out. That way I can properly distribute the product, make sure that I'm getting it in the roots, and especially towards the length and the ends of my hair. I just wanted to properly saturate, because you're going to see my hair just come back to life. The curls are just going to start bouncing back, and we're just going to start applying back that moisture throughout each section of hair. If you have really thick hair like me, you're definitely going to want to work this through really good in sections. If you need to re-wet your hair if it becomes dry, just make sure it's properly saturated. That way that product gets absorbed into the hair and it's just not sitting on top of the hair. So just a little bit about TGIN. They are black owned and they have black hair in mind when they formulate these products. Some of my first impressions about the product is that it smells amazing. And just to show you I'm not lying, my husband said the same thing.
The stuff smells good.
What it smell like to you?
I don't know the smell, but to me it smells like fruits.
I wanted to say cherry.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like cherries or some kind of.
So just to get the full impact of this hydrating hair mask, it is recommended that you place a plastic cap over your head and sit under a dryer for up to 10 to 15 minutes. Or if you just leave it on the hair without the plastic cap, you can do it up to 35 minutes to an hour without heat. Heat isn't being directly applied to my hair, so I'm okay. So now that the mask is all rinsed out, I'm gonna move on to one of my faves from the line. This is the Miracle Protective Leave-In Conditioner. I'm gonna use this to further moisturize my hair. And a good leave-in conditioner can help prevent split ends and reduce breakage. This one doesn't have any parabens, sulfates, petroleum, artificial colors, or anything like that. It has coconut oil that adds moisture and it replenishes the hair's natural oils. So with this, you're going to naturally retain your growth. And to me, it just makes my hair more manageable, less tangled, less frizzy. If you prefer more lightweight products, I would definitely recommend this. You could absolutely use this alone and just do a wash and go. I think it will work perfectly fine. Maybe add a little bit of the styling gel, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, and you'll be good to go. Every product smells so good. I have to say that. I have to keep saying that. Alright, so it is the next day and I'm ready to style my hair finally. My hair is still kind of damp because it's been locked up, but that is okay. Some sections I'm just not going to use as much of this next product. This is the Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. And she's another thick one, just the way I like my hair products. Just because they tend to make my styles, especially wash and goes, last longer. So this may be a lot of product for somebody who doesn't prefer that. But for me, I just noticed that it just makes the styles last longer if I sleep properly. So I'm just sectioning off my hair and applying the product just like I did all the others. Some sections didn't need as much of this product just because I have a leave-in conditioner in there, and it didn't dry down as much as I thought it would, which is good. That means it's a good product. I'm just using this for even more moisture, and it's thicker, so it's gonna help start forming my curls. And it, like I said, as long as the products mix well, they help my hair last much longer. Next, I'm just locking everything in with an oil, and this helps if I was gonna have like any cast left over from too much product. This just kind of helps to break everything down while adding even more shine to my hair. Because with pregnancy and the extreme weather we recently had in Texas, I've been neglecting my hair. I haven't been able to really maintenance it how I normally would. So all of this is just really helpful right now. Alright, so now for the star of the show. This is another one of my favorite products. This is the Mirror Curl Gel. It's strong and it has a long-lasting hold, which is what I need. I'm having some trouble getting it out of the bottle. That's how thick it is, but that's okay because a little bit actually goes a long way, and it's not too sticky, not greasy, and it's not flaky. It just really helps form those curls and lock in the style while also taking account for the health of your hair. It has castor oil, which promotes hair growth, and it's perfect for versatile styles. So you can do your twist styles, braid outs with this, or you can go for a wash and go like I did. The wash and go is never really a wash and go, is it? It takes a lot of work. It's really not just washing and going. But anyway, I'm just going to be repeating the same steps throughout my hair. I'm going to be using the Curl Food Moisturizer. The anti-breakage serum next. And if I didn't mention, this has coconut, olive, argan, jojoba, and peach kernel oils. So it's very nutrient rich and helps with frizz and flyaways and adds hydration. It also has vitamin E. And back to this wonderful styling gel. And the gel also contains the black castor oil and biotin, so it creates a strong hold that helps promote hair growth and length retention as well. And if you're trying to grow your hair while trying different versatile styles, this is great as well, because it's gonna hold, but it's not damaging, and it doesn't have those damaging chemicals like most gels do. You have to be really careful when it comes to gels. I know this is a lot of product, and this is not just like a wash and go. This is kind of detailed. So if you're not comfortable with putting this much product, or you don't know how your hair will adjust to it, maybe try just taking a small section in the back and seeing how the hair reacts. That way you can kind of be a judge on how much product you need. But yeah, I've been kind of working with my hair for a while and doing wash and goes, so I know what sections are, damaged, and what sections can take what type of product. I know it's weird, but yeah. So I'm just taking a small bit of this and just finger coiling it towards the front of my hair. It has the most heat damage, so it doesn't really require as much product, and it definitely needs a product that's gonna really lock it in. So this styling gel is actually perfect because my curls really need a lot of help forming. So here I'm just getting kind of close up, so you can see there's not much of a cast left from the product. The product did take pretty well and mixed pretty well. There's no white flakes, and whatever leftover product you can see will definitely dry down. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit, give it a few hours to dry, and I'll come back. But it has lots of definition, lots of shine, and you can tell that the hair is moisturized. My curls still aren't quite where I want them to be, but products like these are definitely going to help me out. Alright, so I'm back, and you can see I have much more volume, so that's how you know it is drying down. As the weeks progress, I'm sure I'll have even more volume. I like that it's not too weighed down, it's still flowy and free. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't be afraid to leave comments. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell, since I know I post very sporadically. That way you can be informed when I do post. But yeah, thank you for watching, and if you want to try any of these products, they'll be linked below. Bye.